This is the one, this string going up is this string right here, Tina.
Oh, okay. And it goes up to that.
So as the bale is formed, these strings are going to be the top side. As it pushes the hay in, all it does is keep pulling string. So this string is going to come out, you know, to wherever the bale is. When this gets up to this notch, this is the notch. Okay. This is the notch that trips it. So then the needles will come up with the string in here. The needles come up all the way into the, they come all the way up into here. So when the needles come up, then that's where that thing grabs it, spins it to tie it. Here's these little fingers, and you can't hardly even see them. Look up here. Those are those little fingers right down there that's going to grab that twine and pull it through to knot it. Remember them fingers ever?